Hey guys, it's October, which means Halloween is among us, and what better way to start off the month than with the unboxing and battle of UX-08 Silverwolf Freeball, the new stamina bay that hopes to rival Wizard Rod, who stands as king. Here are the stats on the back, and now we know that the owner is X-Master Jiro. Let's get to opening this thing. We got a new recolor winder launcher, black and gray, and we get a new ripcord color, gray as well. We get a black and clear 380 ratchet, and here is the blade. I think it looks cool. The blade looks like a wolf's tail, and here under the blade is the spinning free piece. I think this is going to help with the destabilization. Instead of hitting the actual blade, it will hit this piece right here if it's trying to attack from below like Shark Edge would. And instead of hitting the piece, it would hit this and kind of like spin off of it. And the same with the bays that are at the same height of it. Would just hit that and just spin off instead of actually hitting the blade, causing it to keep its stamina. And now the bit. I was being dumb and assumed that the ball piece itself spun, and nah, that's not the case. The bit is not having this one part on the shaft that allows it to spin when it's on the ratchet. Besides that, it looks pretty straightforward like a ball bit. Here it is all put together, looks really nice, and as you can see, the free part moves, and I hope that this will help the stamina in any way it can. Now let's get the weight on this thing. Here it comes out to 36.75 grams, and that's honestly not a bad weight for this blade. It's pretty competitive. So I wanted to do a test spin as hard as I can to see how long it would spin for. I wanted to speed up the timer and the video at the same time so I didn't waste time showing you how long it truly lasted. Trust me, this is all legit. I got no purpose online for this. And it comes out to be 2 minutes on a spin. That's pretty impressive. Now let's get to the stock battles. Let's start off with the heavy hitter Dran Buster 160 XL. Known as the KO king of other bays, with just one hit, let's see if Silverwolf does against it. Now it will challenge the previous UX Stamina Bay Phoenix Rudder 970 Glide, with Silverwolf coming for Rudder's position and stamina in my build roster at least. Let's see who has the better gimmick. On to last month's booster, Whale Wave 580 Elevate. Can Silverwolf last longer than this balanced heavy hitter? Now finally, Silver Wolf will take on the king of stamina himself, Wizard Rod 570 Disc Ball. Does Silver Wolf have what it takes to dethrone the king of stamina and be the new stamina blade to get? And now, my final thoughts. I believe that this is a good bay and gimmick, but with one big problem, and that's the ratchet. 380's burst resistance is terrible. I don't know if it would be better at a different height like Wizard Rod's combo or just a different ratchet. I'll have to do some trial for the next video and figure that out on what is going to be the best Silver Wolf build. Stay tuned for that video. I also got other videos from the past, like Whale Weave, that I need to do to get out to you on the combos for that. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.